All right, our next one is a fun one. This is USA jars. Next one, we are gonna take 3 of these kind of salsa looking jars from Dollar Tree, and you're gonna spend an inordinate amount of time getting these labels off the bottom. I had to use Goo Gone and a bulldozer and a tractor claw, and I eventually got them all off. Then I'm going to take this white chalk paint. I believe this is alabaster. It's just white, white, and I'm going to give each of these jar vase looking things 2 coats of this chalk paint. I'm not looking for super awesome coverage, and I'm not looking for super thick coverage, just a normal amount of coverage. It's okay if you can see the brush strokes. We're not looking for Da Vinci here. We're just looking for an overall white jar looking thing at the end of this. So I ended up with 2 coats. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some stickers. I had several different kinds that I found at Dollar Tree. I had these really fun ones that were red, white, and blue, but they weren't big enough. I had these blue ones, but they were kind of a little bit too small as well. So I did end up going with the big black ones. Then I also have some just kind of fun red, white, and blue star ribbon. This one is nice because it has the wire in it, and so it's going to hold its shape as I wrap it around the mouth of these jars. And originally I wanted to do bows, but then I decided not to. I decided to actually kind of make the ends of the ribbon look like they were kind of floating in the breeze, I guess you could say. So I did tie a knot in the middle so that the bow wouldn't go anywhere, and then I just kind of gave it like a little crinkle on the end, so it kind of looks like a bow, but it's almost as if it's waving in the wind, as if the ribbon is kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but you can do whatever you want with the ribbon. Put it in a bow, you can make one end longer than the other, it doesn't matter, whatever you want to do with it to make it cute, it's totally up to you. Then I have these foam stars, and I'm just going to take a red star, a blue star, and a white star, and each of the jars is going to get a colored star, and I'm going to use hot glue, and I'm going to glue it right in the center. And you can kind of see off to the left there that I've got a flower pick. These I also got at Dollar Tree. They are blue, and then they have glittery kind of blue and red stars in them, which I thought was really kind of cool because it kind of goes with the whole star firework kind of red, white, and blue theme that I was going with these jars. So this one is going to be the U jar, and so I put the black U from my letters on it. I've got my ribbon around the mouth, and then I'm going to take my white star, I believe, and then I'm going to glue it right in the center of my ribbon, and then the flowers are just arranged inside of the jar. And you can arrange the flowers however you want to. Then I did an S the same way, and I believe it got a red star. And now I'm doing the A. And again, this is just going to get a ribbon around the mouth of the jar with a star. And I'm just going to arrange the ribbon kind of so it looks like it's got a breeze coming kind of through it. It's kind of gonna have a little bump in its ends. And then the blue star is gonna get hot glued right in the center. And you can see I'm not really making a bow out of it. I'm just kind of bumping the ends of the ribbon. I just thought it looked fun, but again, you can make this your own however you want to do it. And then I just popped my little flower pick in it. And then of course you'll arrange them so that they say USA. And then this is how they look when they're all set up. And I just thought that was super cute. You could do USA, you could do home, you could do your last name, you could do whatever you wanted to do. But I thought since this was the 4th of July that these turned out super cute. Let me know what you think in the comments.